Hello guys, Unlimited Gaming Expo here. Today we're gonna be trying the most watery slime ever. So first we got Barrow slime. That's what it says right there. Then we're gonna be trying Silly Sludge. So first I'm gonna pick this one. I better move the placemat. So, okay. Oh, that is so watery. The heck? There's like a ball in here. The heck? Look at it. It's a ball. Okay, let's put that aside. See that? Like how watery that is. Okay. First, I got this from Family Dollar. I mean. And look how watery it is. Like, that watery. It's like thick but watery when you fill it. Can you hear that? Like, watery. It's weird. Okay. That is great. So, one thing I wonder is, why does that ball? I don't get that part. Why it has a ball. Like, is it like a tab fail? This other pink one that I used to have, never had a ball, and it was this one. It was a black. It was a black pink. Oh. Okay. Now we're gonna be trying. The heck? It's like alive. It's like going blub, 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 blub. Oh no! Do you hear that sound? Okay, now we are going to be doing the Silly Sludge. Yummy. Okay, this one is like more of a lighter color, and it's more like Nickelodeon. Okay, it's pretty watery too. But like more liquidy, see? Like how more, it's beautiful. Okay. So don't have any hand damage. Slime's great. Slime's really good. So this is how it looks like. It's pretty thick. But watery at the same time. I don't get that. And does this one have a ball in there? Probably not. So, I don't know. So, hello, and we're back. And which one did you like the most? Barrow slime, or did you like Silly Sludge? Comment down below. Bye.